Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Well, the SUI chart is performing quite well at the moment and we want to take a look at the updated chart because we have a potential upside reversal. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. We are on our website dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can get access to various asset classes, Elliott wave analysis, including cryptocurrencies, of course. So today we click on our cryptocurrencies section. In case you're wondering how to get access, you can just go to the link in the video description, register for free, and you get access to all of these free updates. So today we want to take a look at the SUI chart. And if we take a look at the chart here, first of all, I think it makes sense to consider the daily time frame, larger time frame perspective for SUI. It is important to recognize that the market has started to move up nicely from our trading area. So let's take a look at the daily chart. And before we really dive into further nanostructures, I think it's important to recognize that we have a potential upside reversal from the swing low here that formed in April. And the sort of midterm idea is that the market should rally in a third wave towards, well, $5.36, maybe even higher. So that is the idea. Overall, the market should take us above this swing high at 536. Maybe even in the short or medium term, while I record this video, the market is also moving up. So it might already have moved on when you watch the video, just sort of ready before the weekend, basically. But yeah, good performance across the crypto sector. The idea is still that the move up here constitutes a more bullish 1-2-1-2 setup. That means we had a wave one that was the rally into the, I think it was January, February 2024 high. The actual swing high, the highest high back then was actually in March, but the idea is this was an overshooting B wave, quick educational moment. Very often, especially when the market is actually really bullish, such a B wave can overshoot. And then we had a C wave decline. So we have this ABC structure to the downside in a wave two correction, and we'd now be moving up in a larger degree third wave. And that's a third wave should also be a 5-wave pattern, where we have 5 waves in blue wave 1, 3 waves down in wave 2, and we should move higher from here. That's still the idea. The idea is that wave 2 of magenta wave 3, which you actually don't see on the chart, but wave 2 of magenta wave 3 has probably bottomed in April, like many other cryptos. I mean, for Bitcoin also, the idea is that at least a local low is there in place. And SUI is one of the more promising charts that actually has been moving up in impulsive structures. Other charts haven't done that in, sort of in that, I would say, in that degree, but SUI has moved up in impulsive structures. So as long as the market now holds above $1.74, the move up should continue. As you can see here, there's a probability we add here for 30% for a larger degree wave 2, which would mean that this wave 2, magenta wave 2, is still unfolding. It's only 30%, and with today's movements, it might even become less likely. Now you can also see that in the very short term, the market has reacted nicely to the support region we communicated on our website at around $3.12. That's on the nano level, so really smaller time frame pathways here. And the idea is that over the last few days, throughout the last week or two, the market declined in an internal fourth wave. I mean, we already talked about that in the last video, that expectations would be for this chart to move up higher. We would then also expect a fifth wave to the upside to unfold. That's wave 5 in green of orange wave 3. You see that down here early in April, we started to see a 1-2-1-2 setup. There's at least one possible interpretation. Based on it, we can expect a fifth wave to unfold, which might be unfolding right now as I record this video, of a larger degree third wave, which would complete the third wave that started down here. I think it was around the 9th of April at the orange wave 2 low. So this third wave is a very aggressive one. That's what third waves typically are. It shouldn't be surprising to anybody who's been following these videos. And then there should still be another 4-5 pattern, which would then probably complete blue wave 3. So we are likely going to see a sequence of kind of higher lows and higher highs. As we get new trading areas, support areas available, we will add them to the chart on our website. And then whenever they are grayed out, it can make sense, depending on what you do, but it can make sense to adjust your stop loss to break even level or to move it into profit. At least it means that this trading area, this support area, is not relevant anymore. Basically, it's about protecting what profits have been made, right? So, but yeah, that should be quite clear. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on the website. As I said, it's completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.